stop right in its place. Why must we lose sight of these days and forget all of the things we never knew? I know it's tough, but let's find a way. If we could all see through those eyes, man, the world might just stop right in its place. In the deepest depths of hate, there is an angel of the past. If the truth would only last for a lifetime, then one day we'll awake in the shadow of our ways, and our debts have all been paid off for a lifetime. I could show you the beauties of life, and I could set you free out in the night. I can let you grow into who you're meant to be, but you could lead the path to the light and make the world just stop